Hey guys, in this video, we'll learn how to set up Novo Reserves in the Novo app. If you don't have a Novo account, we will put a link in the description below for you to sign up. We will also share some bonus resources in the description below, to help you grow and manage your business efficiently. Let's dive right in. If you already have an account on Novo, go to the website novo.co. Once you're on the website, you will see an option that says Log In. Click on Login. Then, on the fields provided, enter your email and password. Once the email and password is entered, click on Login. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the left side of the screen. Click on the option that says Reserves. Next, on this page, click on the option that says Create New. Then, in the fields provided, enter the reserve name and amount. You could also add a description, but it is only optional. After entering all the necessary information, click on Create Reserve. That's how you set up Novo Reserves in the Novo app. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.